front of me is Xiaomi 17, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off suggestion strip at the top of your Gboard. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on this section called Additional Settings. Now click on Languages and Input, Manage Keyboards, and Gboard. Following that, tap on Corrections and Suggestions. And finally, scroll to click on gray switcher next to Suggestion Strip. This way you'll activate it. So when I go back to check it out, I can see that Suggestion Strip was successfully enabled. To disable it, use the same switcher until it's gray. Quick tip: if you enabled Suggestion Strip, now to get access to keyboard settings, you can click on this gear icon at the top of your keyboard. This way you can enter the same section in a few seconds. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!